Well, welcome back, friends. Let me turn on some light here so you can see this. A mouse got up into my Expedition overhead controls, ate all these wires, and my mission today is to somehow solder them back together. And if you see right here, Ryobi is coming in clutch with the 18-volt 1+ soldering iron. So we're going to be using that. We're going to try and solder this back together. I'm going to make a loop mechanical connection with an extra piece of wire in between these. See how it goes. So stick around. This is most certainly not my favorite thing to do, and I am not a professional, I don't know, electrical engineer, solderer, technician, or mechanic. But I also have 8 children, and I can't really afford to pay someone to do it. So this is where I guess we start to develop additional skills. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to flux it just a little bit here. You don't need a lot. Just so it'll stick. Help the solder stick. And just do the copper. I made a little loop connection. All right, I'm going to pre-tin, then I'm going to tin it. This is warm. All right, so I need to clean this off through here. There we go. All right, okay, so good pre-tin on there. All right, let's put a little bit of this here. Okay, good. Let's try and get it on. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's a good connection. Let's do this one. Okay. Add a little bit. Okay. Oh yeah, it's warm. Okay, so I got the connection, this one and this one down. Should be good. Now I'll inspect it with the light. Okay, that looks good, and that one looks good too. All right, good. So we have a solid connection, and now we'll just do this 30 more times because there's about 15 wires on each side broke. So, oh, this is fun. But Ryobi coming in clutch. I'm able to do that in here, and we should be good. All right, so I ended up having to get the Ryobi Magna light here because I was just having a terrible time attempting to do this. So here we go again. Not a professional, but I stayed in a Holiday Inn once. All right, we'll keep moving on. All right, so did a lot of soldering through here. And if you can see here, I'm just gonna, in a magnifying glass, see that? Done a ton of soldering here. I'm gonna tape these up. Now I'm not gonna shrink them because I wanna tape them in case I need to get back to them. So I extended this here, and now I've got to connect them to all these wires. So, oh yeah, this is going to be interesting, but we're continuing. So here, I'm going to zoom in, is basically it. Is all the connections. I don't know, probably close to 50 connections all the way around, but we're going to put this back up and see if we can get some work out of this. Okay, so that's it. I got this back in. Everything looks good. It's actually working. So I am actually pretty happy about this. So